Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Google Maps. Open the app or website and make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that holds the home label. Once signed in, go straight to your Places, Mobile, saved right arrow labeled. Do this now so you're looking at the right set of labels. If Home appears, tap it to reveal options. You need to be in the correct account and view so the remove action affects the right profile. Skip switching accounts until after removal. You'll now take the removal action. Open the Home label card and choose Edit or the three-dot menu, then select Remove or Delete. On desktop use menu, right arrow your Places right arrow labeled and click the X beside Home. On mobile, tap Remove from Labeled or Delete. Once done, the label is removed from your Maps view and from searches tied to that label. Make sure you confirm any prompts and wait a few seconds for the UI. Finish by searching for Home and reopening Labeled to confirm the label is gone. If it still appears, clear the Maps app cache or browser cache, update the app, and try removing it again. Logging out and back in often forces sync. Also check any other Google accounts on your device. Labels are account-specific, so Home could belong to another signed-in profile. If problems persist, restart the device and attempt removal once more, then give Maps a minute to sync changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.